Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery D300 Commercial HSE. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides will see further perfectly rugged yet stylish features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 22-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Looking to your left, you'll see easy to access controls for your electronically deployable tow bar, as well as your electronic air suspension, which I'm sure is going to come in handy with those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Taking a closer look into the cockpit will reveal your 20-way heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. You'll also see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. Looking over at your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery D300 Commercial HSE, which we now have available here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.